etie for mensa aka nkrata bi na eyade a eye pa say nkrofo ebe decide say bomo ebe BBC normally no we hwe Ghana politics ni nti yema nkrofo enhyeda embom enkame with a united front for their community. Answer never to us on subscribe and click the notification bell no and no and that screen so see we understand latest news be about on sa ebeka. Members of MPP and NDC we the man the politics in some members of MPP and NDC ewo krobia ye friend no Benchema Kojo Krom enkatie so ni na ewo Duaboso district what you say inti Benchema Kojo Krom enkatie so ni nia ewo Duaboso district. Now members of these communities no MPP and NDC for nia aba boom as one katre aban say abanye yesrel ye kwan de ye maye na yewu na de enti amani agi BBC ho ne say eye mede say because Ghana nan say unim say bibia ye de politics we obi na ekosori ye ya nka obo say other people be ba because oh jai omo NDC for but we de MPP for ne NDC for na abomu a wo mo ye na tre say indeed the well-being of our communities no ewo wo mo akoma so a wo mo asoria trese inkrata krada menima mekenkan atrel na the youth of communities no they see and say one more support one more hene aye friend no Chief Nana Echia Kwame the second one no ena trese we chief of Seshi Kantan Krobo na wase one no there yes wo ye hene wo to aba or party wo to abama but wama mbebunu ne hu se dabi Ghana send ye kono ye sorry say ye no politics a obehwe na sebe asem fire se ne ye da ho nti ono de wone ne nkrofo akasa ma wo muni asori tre aban say ye de ye political science ato ho monye ye kwan emmayen party ase na asem a wo mo kakra ne say wo mo se wo mo ma aban 1 month ultimatum say wo mo pe contractor embra wo mo kwan ne so wo hwa bechem osay Kojo Krom ewo Duaboso district yes ye kwan yankrofo eta yusupan ba sa kwan no enye bako say nti ye ma ban 1 month say sa 1 month no munim de ye ema mo amompe contractor bi embra sa kwan ne so nti omo ye demonstration for 3 good hours omo ye for 3 good hours na threat abo man obi beka say aban be ya den no be ye aban be ya den no be omo say ho no eye bebi asebe womo ye beka say womo do koko womo say aban be ya koko no womo nton emaga na aban biom omo de bejane akose Ivory Coast no matter my Ivory Coast for nti eno so any threat because koko no de ye ni say ya de a Ghana ban epese eya oto efin grofo we omo say omo kwan enye nti sa aban anya mo a koko no womo nton emaga na aban womo be smuggle koko no akọ Ivory Coast nti no womo so mo threat no serious threat very serious very serious threat pa nti no eno ene nsema da na de ayo mo yakra ne say in 2015 3 years ago nanka e wose ekwan no yeye but obi enim de esiye nti no etie for ma me ready womo nkrata na womo ede abeto yenim no na yente womo asem na asiye wo hwe nkrata na o say petition to the president over Benchema Osay Kojo Krom deplorable road. Now I say roads are one of the key parts to economic development and quality life of the people. It is in the view of this that the concerned youth of Benchema in Katieso and the affected communities would like to draw the attention of the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the Minister of Road and Transport, the Regional Minister of Western North Region, the Member of Parliament of Duaboso Constituency, and District Chief Executive of Duaboso to the deplorable nature of Benchema Osay Kojo Krom Road. That is a wash of my abomudia with the President and I will be a Minister of Roads and Transport. We will and I just say the Regional Minister. That is a new region. A year baby I can want some first neck a Western region, but Ghana ye beti che munusisiano ya abeka ana abeshe Western North region ase. Into omo minister nso ye bonidin member of parliament of that district, Diaboso that constituency, sorry, Diaboso constituency, no, Onozie Bonidin, and son the district chief executive DCE of Diaboso District Assembly, no, Wononso sa. Now, was it firstly, the road has degraded to the extent that vehicles and cars have to park or fall over when the drivers try to use it during the rainy season. Was it saying you to a quina say ama one share ya cars crano a free top and now say will be corner was shana one person will be free at all because who go free who go cano utimna eko to for my address on kwano no into will be a person of best training kwan. Of course, so be person of best training kwan what you say into no and also na umpe how biana na wa park car no out to baby. Ati ase. Was it in the no yes insio to a say to that extent. Now was also be boss say in the dry season in so no roads no a year affected to the quality of life of the people. The road becomes very hard for people. Who say who make na one say akwa say dry season na e kwan no mfuturo ninti no. What I say oh nam so a mfuturo ninti no onam so wo obi a wotan nam sa road no so a wan hwe yie. No one call hospital and call check up. Some breathing complications be. Obe kone say o lungs ye bibi. You say sabi in foot throw mu too much. What you say? It's dry season there. Ewo ho. In foot throw na ewo kwane so dry season no. Insium so to womo so womo de ewo ho. Enti no eno na womo atro ewo nkrata we mu a womo Esre president ene womo amebo mudin eche no na nkrata na bebi ameridi no yenya ndu bebi aye but mpesa me cut the short ni nia yete ensem na se ye was say students and pupils already get dirty before they get to their schools was say answer na enkola krabedu school no medu school no omatari abofin because in futuro na akwan so no ene ehonso na enkola na ose omofa eco school obedu school na ne ho abofin poto or say the health and the economic effects cannot be estimated on the people. In fact, it is a hell to be in this area during such periods. We believe that the road, or if the road is upgraded, the lives of the people will be positively affected. What I say was say sabe health factor na krano womo entumi emboso. Na ekwan ne de na nke ye kan se bonsam gem a saya kwan no eye bonsam gem ankasa. Ati ase na wo mususu se ekwan no ye ya ebe boa papa intia ena trese wo mo de wo mo political affiliations ato nchen a wo mo sre aban se we die ye mpese mo be ebia group be kwa se na medinga nchen no sisi Ghana wuni na wo sorry na ko ye demonstration wo di agro ye better go se wo ye NDC 4 times so sa na wunim na wo sorry na ko demonstration say o mani mu ayeden dum so okoso udia wo kai Evo Nelson o sorry ye ko ye demonstration dum so ma stop no ye target no say o MPP ni inti no eye ensema kokoko so e wo Ghana inti bibi say no me ni age hu ye pa because this is what the youth actually need to be doing imebunu na ya ba na nya say ye de ye ho kwashe politics mu because I'm saying this politics it is deceiving a lot of us politics. In the name of politics, into be say the party ye bibia one person will be can. Now so will be party na ya no wa ye na no say to trubento no we be gina no oka. Wa twina no ten no we be gina ho no oka. But ono say wono the party ya na wa ye ko ma se won hu ye. Na these things no I see a lot of Ghana sabi imebnu wo mo yes anyama na na eme ya because it's as if they are following the path of your political leaders are. De bia ye bo mo chi se de wo mo ye na enye de wo mo ye na enye no na wo hwe letter ngrofo ye de ba ya was secondly the road is full of potholes drenches and channels which make a lot of drivers feel reluctant to travel on it na the sabe wo mo entumi fa cars kra emba wo mo krom ho because driver full suro say wo mo car na ebeduru ho a ebesei sabe driver ni be no nim say me car ko ho a me car ekọ ha ebesei a driver no wo bekọ inti eya sana obon se wo mo pese wo mutu kwan ko baby wo mo pese mo ko fa induane eko baby wo say wo mo pese mo ko fa nyama kran na drivers ne pese mo beko because drivers ne say sa kwan no enye potholes ene nyama esi kwan ne so na enye easy etiefo eno ene nsema eda ho na me pese me read the part because furthermore we all know the importance of this road, hence captured in the 2019 national budget. Yet we are in October and there's no sign to develop it. Or say 2019 budget a yakwa kenkan ye earlier this year. Ewa parliament no. Ye throw wom say year we be end no na se bisa kwan no yaye. Na wo hwe year na aka 2 months pe na year na end up to now. To say wo mu hu say sebe ya bebo ye de sebe nklante kra ba kwan ne so ana so aba kwan ne so abebo fom kra na ka at least o mu hu ne so oh ade amode to budget mu no e na mo ye no but o mu hu hwe nti o mo sra aban embra embeji o mo montre mo I think this is something we all need to commend. Me, you know, the fact say the two political sides and the more political affiliations are too chain abenim because wait na go be betu me aka say NDC time near to ha omo anye other NPP mo be pressure yen but the fact say wo mu nyomo ate omo ho ase apene a wo mo ye bibi say no, that's why I'm very very happy. Montre mo comment box ni mo me da say